Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to continue with some XML examples in VA Smalltalk. Last time we looked at SACs. Today we're going to look at document type definitions. What you can do is you can map Smalltalk objects to XML definitions, or actually the other way around, have XML definitions to map to Smalltalk objects. And you can do that through a DTD as opposed to a SACs. Now SACs is simpler because you don't need the DTD, you can just go ahead and define a mapping. But if you have a DTD, it's kind of interesting that you can do this. So let's go over here and open our file. So I have the same order.xml, I won't look at that. And what we'll do is we'll look at the document type definition here, this here. So we'll double click that. And you see here we have a standard DTD and we're laying out the element customer has these things, the element address has these things. So we're laying out all these mappings, and those can be used through the standard system in VA. So you come in here and you do the parser. So if I do these lines here, I'm going to get, and let's go ahead and copy this out so that I can do it in a workspace. So we'll copy that code and we'll open up a workspace. So if I go ahead and do this, you're going to see I just get the inspector on the actual DOM object. Not really what I want. What I want is I want to go ahead and do this next bit, ABT XML mapped object. So it's going to use the DTD that I've got and map that into an order object. So let's go ahead and execute this whole thing and see what comes back from that. So let's go ahead and do an inspect. And you see it took just a trifle longer, but it gave me back this guy here. It gave me back the order. So I've got my elements in here. I've got the ordered collection of mapped objects in here. So I've got the customer and everything's been mapped that way. So I can go ahead and I can do this same kind of thing and get back the mapped object that way in the DOM using the DTD as opposed to using SACs. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.